We're looking at a marine organism, and it grows on seagrass. This organism is called Labyrinthula. Seagrass is quoted that it's the rainforest of the sea, and so it's incredibly important for a multitude of reasons. So perhaps the first one is carbon sequestration, and so drawing carbon down from the atmosphere. It's also an incredibly important habitat, so for biodiversity. And so it's really important that we learn more about the kind of the behavior of this organism and how it interacts with the seagrass leaf. And I'm here in a physics department, and we're really interested in the sort of the biophysics of how this organism grows and the structures of the colonies that it makes, and in particular the networks that it can form across a substrate. It's very sort of interesting to take our physics toolkit and apply it to the biology and see what new insight we can get from studying this organism. So we're using an optical microscope here. It's really versatile, so we can have various different magnifications to study behavior on different length scales. And especially for my work, a really powerful tool is being able to set up time-lapse footage to be able to capture the dynamics with time.